everyone, today I am going to tell about animal tissue. There are four kinds of animal tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues form the protective covering and inner lining of the body and organs. These tissues were the first to evolve during evolution and were first formed during embryonic development. They developed from the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm of the embryo. Characteristics of epithelial tissue. These can be single-layered or multi-layered. The tissues have the power to regenerate. These are held together by gap junctions, tight junctions, donora, adherent desmosomes, or interdigestation. The plasma membrane of these cells is specialized into flagellar cilia and microvilli. Classification of epithelial tissue. Sensory epithelium to perceive stimuli. Glandular epithelium secretes chemicals. Pigmented epithelium imparts color in retina. Absorptive epithelium for absorption. Connective tissue. Connective tissues develop from the mesoderm of the embryo. They support and bind other tissues in the body. These are made up of three components. Intracellular matrix. It is made up of mucopolysaccharide, especially hyaluronic acid. Cells. The major cells include fibroblasts, adipocytes, plasma cells, and mast cells. Fibers. Connective tissues are made up of three types of fibers, namely collagen fiber, elastic fiber, and reticular fiber. The connective tissues perform the following functions. They attach organs and tissues together. They store fat in the form of adipose tissues. They help in repairing tissues. They prevent the organs from mechanical shocks. The organs also help in defense. Classification of connective tissues. Connective tissue proper provides support and protection to the body. Vascular tissue, transport of materials in the body. Skeletal tissue, it supports the body and gives it proper shape and form. Muscular tissue. The muscular tissue develops from the mesoderm of the embryo. It is classified into three types: cardiac, smooth, skeletal. Muscular tissue performs the following functions. It helps in movement and locomotion. It supports the bones and other structures. It is responsible for peristalsis and parturition. Classification of muscular tissue. Cardiac. It helps in blood circulation and keeps the heart pumping. Smooth. These help in peristalsis and other involuntary functions of the body. Skeletal provide support, helping movement and maintain homeostasis. Nervous or neural tissue. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves all are composed of the nervous tissue. Cells of the nervous tissue are extremely particular and sensitive for being stimulated and then transmitting the stimulus swiftly from one place to another within the body. The cells of the nervous tissue are known as the nerve cells or neurons. Nerve impulses allow us to move our muscles whenever we want to do so. Thanks for watching.